Hey guys, today we are making this gorgeous orange posset. Much like our lemon posset, it takes about 6 minutes to boil on the stove and 2 hours to set in the fridge. It's naturally gluten-free, egg-free, and nut-free, and this one, unlike the lemon, uses 4 ingredients instead of 3 because we use 2 different types of sugars, but it's still so simple to make. So come on, let's make it. We're going to start out by zesting our washed and dried oranges. Then we are going to cut them in half and juice them. We want 1/3 cup of fresh squeezed orange juice. Then take our heavy cream, granulated sugar, our 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and our orange zest, and we're going to whisk it together until combined. Once combined, we are going to set it over heat. We are going to boil it for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, remove it from the heat, and we are going to whisk in our fresh squeezed orange juice until combined. Next, we are going to strain it through a mesh colander or sieve. We don't want any orange zest chunks. We want it smooth and creamy. We're going to pour it into 5 Ramekins, and then we are going to pop them in the fridge for at least 2 hours until they have set. Once they are chilled, you can top them with extra orange slices, raspberries, blueberries, or whatever you desire. I hope you enjoy them as much as we do. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.